Jet planes in the night sky with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you how to create at home this super cute Christmas gift, which is a brush cleaner for all your makeup brushes or face painting brushes. It's really cheap and is a dupe for this one that I got from the Face Paintinh Shop. So this one, it's not too expensive, it's £6 and I do really like it, but as you can see it's quite thin, and actually after you've cleaned a few brushes it wears out really quick. So I thought actually I could make this at home using just a £1 bar of soap and using these goo dessert pots that I've just had lying around in the cupboard. I thought it was cool to give this as a gift to someone, as it's a bit more environmentally friendly than keep buying the same pots. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep watching. Okay, so these are the things I used to make the solid brush cleaner. So I just bought these simple soaps from Poundland and it was £1 for two, but I only used one soap in the end. I also added in one of these mini pots of coconut oil, which I got from Holland & Barrett. This was £1 as well, and I wanted to use that because it's antibacterial and will condition them nicely. You can actually skip this part if you don't own any essential oils to make it really cheap, but I wanted to put in some essential oils, so I used peppermint and vanilla, and these are great because together they smell like candy cane. So I thought for a Christmas gift, or you can even make it for yourself, it doesn't have to be a gift, that it would be really nice for the brushes to have a bit of a nice smell afterwards. And then these are the containers I chose to use. These are goo cheesecake dessert pots that I've had lying around in the cupboard. But if you wanted to be super professional, you could buy some tins off eBay. Really, it doesn't matter what you use. I just had these lying around and I thought it'd be good to recycle them, and also they're the right shape. And then I picked up some candy cane string and some paper labels, and also these little hollies to decorate, as I wanted it to be Christmassy. But obviously if you just make it for yourself, you can totally skip that. So I used 1 bar of soap to make one brush cleaner pot, and melting the soap was harder than I thought. So in the end I grated it into this Pyrex glass jug. I then put a pan of boiling water on the stove, and then I put the glass jar filled with soap inside it. Left that on the stove for the soap to melt, and in the end I put a lid on top of the glass jar to kind of keep the heat in, and after about 2 hours ish it did melt. If I had a microwave I would have just put it in there, but I don't own a microwave, so that would have been a lot easier. And eventually it turned soft and a bit mushy. After about an hour I added the whole of the little pot of coconut oil. So eventually it turned into like really lumpy mashed potato, and then I added my essential oils. I then scooped the mixture into the glass pot. I then put some tissue over the top and squashed it down as much as I could. I also used this bottle to try and flatten it as much as possible and make sure it was really compact. And then I ended up adding more and just doing the same and just making sure it was super flat and compact and as smooth on the top as possible. I then put the brush cleaner in the fridge overnight for the soap to reharden, and then this was what it looked like when I took it out. Smooth and looked really nice and smelled like candy cane. So then for the Christmas gift I just gave it a bit of decoration. Okay guys, so that's the DIY brush cleaner all ready and to give away as a Christmas gift to one of my friends. And then I'm just going to show you how I actually clean my brushes with one of these solid brush cleaners. It's my favourite way to clean my brushes. You can just do it with a soap that's in your hand, but then your hand goes wrinkly. And obviously there's loads of other ways, but this is my favourite. So I'm just going to show you a little demo of how I use the brush cleaner. For brushes that are really dirty, I also use this little brush mat from Unicorn Cosmetics as well. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all very soon.